Very good. Next. What else? Okay. Next. What else? Okay. Next. What else, Hannah? What is it? Okay. Next. Brown fish. Okay. Next. What else? Okay, and the last is, what is it? A turtle. Okay. Hannah, what is the characteristic of a dolphin? Can we get the dolphin first? What is the characteristic of a dolphin? Can you get this one? Dolphin. Caring, and generous creatures. Okay. Next, what letter is it, Hannah? Letter U. What is the phonics of letter U? Okay. Next, U is for okay, what is the use of umbrella? Use umbrella when the weather is hot or raining. Okay, next. U is for under. Use under in a sentence. Okay, very good. Next, U is for? What is it? Then unicorn. Okay. Next, U is for? Utensils. Utensils. Oh, can you give 2 examples of utensils? Spoon and fork. Okay, and the last one we have U is for unicycle. Okay. You should have